closer. I stay falling. She's June, I'm October. What a season to be. Two-tone down over there in the brain. Heartbreak weighs on her mind. Blue turns red when I stare at her face. She looks right into mine. It's so clear. Now that you're here, talk through all the things you thought by now would come true. All on the side of the bed. Oh yeah, trust me. She's my four-leaf clover. Call me lucky to keep a voice in my head. Pitch black fancy to wrap out a door. A t-shirt over the light. These four walls cover us on the floor. And maybe that's the reason why. And maybe you're the reason why. It's so clear. Now that you're here, it's so she's in my head, she's on my mind. I tell her over and over again. She's in my head, like all the time. I want her over and over again. She's in my head, she's on my mind. I tell her over and over again. She's in my bed, like all the time. I want her over and over again. Yeah.
Guangzhou, do you mind if we play one more acoustic? Yeah? Do you guys know a song called I Miss New York? Justin and I made some demos a little while back, and this is one of them that we thought was really special, and we'd like to play it for you, if that's okay.
If you have your lights on your phones, maybe we could put them up and make this place look beautiful, looking like the stars, you know?
It's so pretty.
Wow, that's gorgeous.